वेलकम टू AGPG स्टडी लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी के B.sc एग्रीकल्चर थर्ड सेमेस्टर सेकेंड ईयर की प्रैक्टिकल फाइल स्टैटिस्टिकल मेथड्स. So let's get started. Experiment number first. Draw histogram frequency polygon or give curve less than type cumulative curve of the following data. Second page, report page. Objective to draw histogram frequency polygon and or give less than type for the given data. Procedure formula used. ये हिस्टोग्राम का डायग्राम है. हिस्टोग्राम फॉर गिवन डेटा. बस हम हिस्टोग्राम का सॉल्यूशन करेंगे. क्लास इंटरवल, फ्रीक्वेंसी, क्लास मार्क्स, देन फ्रीक्वेंसी पॉलीगन, frequency polygon for the given table. Then O-give curve. क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग इसमें मार्क करना है. Experiment number second. Find the arithmetic series data. Second, find the arithmetic mean for the following continuous series data. ये गिवन है क्लास इंटरवल फ्रीक्वेंसी. इसके then report page. Objective to calculate arithmetic mean of the given discrete and continuous series. तो फर्स्ट हम डिस्क्रीट सीरीज का फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे. x bar is equal to summation xi by capital N, where n is equal to total number of observation. Second, to calculate arithmetic mean of continuous series, we use the formula x bar is equal to summation fi xi by capital N, where n is equal to summation fi is equal to total number of observation. Result: arithmetic mean of the given discrete series is 47.6. Second, the arithmetic mean of the given continuous series is 36.8. Solution page. Given data. Experiment 3. Find the median of the following discrete series. Given class interval frequency. Report page. Objective to find the median of the given discrete series data. Second, to find the median of the given continuous series data. Procedure formula used. पहले discrete series का find out करेंगे, then continuous का. To find the median, first we arrange the data in ascending order. Then we use the number of observation capital N. Capital N is equal to odd. We use the formula median is equal to n plus 1 by 2 term. If n is equal to Even we use the formula median n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 term by 2 to find the median of the continuous frequency distribution. First we calculate n by 2. Then we create cumulative frequency table. Value of median is calculated by median is equal to L plus H by F bracket open and capital N by 2 minus CF means cumulative frequency, where L is equal to lower limit of median class, H is equal to width of median class, F is equal to frequency of median class, CF is equal to cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Result: discrete, discrete series and second continuous series. This first discrete series is 27, second continuous series is 18.16. Solution page. Arrange the given discrete data in ascending order. Then we use the formula median for continuous series data. Experiment 4. The height of 10 plants of a garden are in centimeter 38, 51, 39, 46, 49, 57, 69, 75. Report page. Objective: to find standard deviation of height of given plants of a garden. Formula: where n is equal to number of observation, x bar is equal to mean of the 10 plants height is equal to 1 by n summation xi. Results: the, the standard deviation of height of plants of a garden is 11.95. Solution: using formula, the answer is 11.95. Experiment number 5. Following are the height and weight of 10 students of a class. Height in inches, weight in kgs. Weight in kg. Calculate called Pearson's correlation coefficient. Calculate Carl Pearson's correlation coefficients. Report page. Objective: to calculate Carl Pearson's correlation coefficient of the given data. Procedure: the formula for Carl Pearson's correlation given by here x bar and y bar are the mean of height and weight, and capital N is the number of student in a class. Result: the Carl Pearson's correlation coefficient is 0.29. Then last solution page. Carl Pearson's correlation coefficient. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। आई होप आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए।